Hi, I'm Austin Hunt, president of 3M Tool, where we make really cool stuff out of mesh and wire. I had a customer that manufactures ocular implants come to us. They had designed a basket to hold their implants through the various chemical and high temperature curing applications. They designed it, but they didn't know how to build it. So they came to us and said, we need a basket with mesh dividers and mesh bottom for good flow for the chemicals. Needs to be high purity, surgical grade stainless steel, and very smooth. After some conversation with them, some give and take to improve their design for manufacturability, we came up with this design. We had to invent a process to make these zigzag mesh panels, and we had to invent a process to weld them together and maintain smooth joints that are strong enough to take all the thermal, chemical, and mechanical abuse. The final product is made out of 316 stainless steel, electropolished for purity and smoothness, and the customer loves them. Can't imagine many of you need baskets for ocular implants, but what you should take from this is that we are very good at intricate projects with mesh, and we're very good at helping with design for manufacturability to get the best possible product. Please take a look at our website, 3mtool.com, for this and some other projects, and give us a call to see how we can help with your solutions.